Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play KBM on Overwatch 2 PS5. First, connect your keyboard and mouse directly to your PlayStation 5 available USB ports. The console should automatically detect most standard USB peripherals. Once connected, head into your PS5 system settings. This is where you'll begin customizing your input preferences for an optimal gaming experience. Make sure both devices are properly recognized before proceeding. Next, within your PS5 settings, locate the Accessories menu. Here, you'll find options to fine-tune your keyboard and mouse. Adjust the pointer speed and sensitivity to match your comfort level. Experiment with these settings until movement feels natural and responsive. Saving these preferences ensures your custom setup is ready every time you play, providing a consistent and competitive edge. Now, launch Overwatch 2 and navigate to its in-game options menu. Head over to the Controls tab, where you'll find specific settings for keyboard and mouse input. This is crucial for tailoring your experience within the game itself. Adjust your mouse sensitivity and customize keybinds to suit your playstyle. Many players find a lower mouse DPI combined with higher in-game sensitivity works well for precise aiming. To truly master KBM on Overwatch 2, consistent practice is key. Spend time in the practice range or quick play to build muscle memory and refine your aim. Many players also benefit from a gaming mouse offering programmable buttons, allowing for quick access to abilities. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Optimizing your setup and staying comfortable will significantly enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.